Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everybody doing today? Today we are going to be making baklava. Okay, it's an Arabian dish. It's very light and crispy. When you are making home, you don't have to put too much syrup, too much sugar in there. So we are going to make very light and fluffy. So let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this baklava. Okay. So first thing we needed is this is phyllo pastry sheets. You can get it from any grocery store. I bought it from the grocery store. You can even make this dough at home, but it takes a long process, so we're not gonna do that. So we just bought these sheets. So we're gonna make with these sheets, and you can use any kind of nuts, but I am using walnuts 1 cup and pistachios 1 cup. Okay, and then I am using only half a cup of sugar. If you want, you can use a little bit more sugar, but I'm also going to be using honey. So when you're buying honey, always try to see you got the local honey and raw and unfiltered honey. That's very important for you to get the honey. Do not buy the sugar syrup from somewhere. Also, we are going to be using butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Okay, and we are going to use some lemon juice so the syrup don't crystallize. Okay, let's go start making. First grinding this like a coarsely nuts, then we will arrange everything. Okay, we'll put all these nuts in a food processor. And this. Okay, that's it. Let's go open and see. See, exactly we need it like this. Not very soft. Okay, let's go remove it in the bowl and start making it. Okay, now we are gonna go ahead and heat it up this butter. We are not gonna heat up the whole thing. I'm gonna heat up only half of this stick from here because this is a whole pound, so I'm not using that much. So I'm gonna cut half of it and heat up that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna heat it up for right now. Okay friends, we will heat up the butter until the water evaporates from there. There's a lot of water in there. If there's a water in there, it's gonna be bubbling outside on top of it. So this bubble is gonna be, once you bake it, you're gonna see the black and ugly spots on top of the baklava. So we don't want that. So I'm gonna be heating up until the water settles down. So see, did you see the bubbles? This is all water. It's gonna burn and a little bit is going to settle down, so then we are going to use it. Actually we are using a clarified butter, so it's like a ghee. Okay. So okay, it's a stop bubbling. That means the butter is, all the water is evaporated. So we are going to go ahead and remove that, turn the stove off. Okay, let's go see next step. My oven is also preheating on 325 degrees. We are gonna bake it for 20-25 minutes. Okay, or until you see the golden color on top of the baklava. Okay, now we will make syrup. I have 1 cup of water, and half a cup of sugar. You can add more sugar if you like more sweeter, but I'm also adding honey, so I don't need no more sugar. So I'm gonna add some honey, maybe a half a cup. Okay, now we're gonna let it boil this for 10 minutes. Okay, we will add a little bit of lemon juice. so it don't crystallize, sugar don't crystallize. Maybe that much. I'm gonna take the seeds out, that lemon juice. Okay, while our syrup is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and start making the baklava. Okay, let's go see. Okay, let's go start doing it. I'm gonna cover these sheets because they're dry fast with the towel. So we are gonna first start applying butter in the tray. Bismillah. Okay, now we are going to put one sheet at a time and apply with the butter. Okay, so take one sheet. They dry very fast, they're very thin, so you can take two sheets. You don't even have to put one sheet because you can put two sheets in there. I'm gonna apply very lightly some butter in each sheet. Actually, when I cook for my home, I just put half of the sheets in the bottom, and then I put the nut mixer. Then I put half of the sheets on the top. Then I cut them. Then I pour the butter on from the top. But this goes with every layer when you cut them. But I'm doing the video, so I just wanted to show you the correct way. I cheat all the time. So try to make it less fat, less work, less fat. So, okay, like this. Okay, we're gonna put one. I think I'm gonna put two more again. They're so thin, you don't have to put one at a time. Okay. Oops. See, there's no bubbles in the butter because we clarified the butter. If you don't clarify the butter, you're gonna see all the white bubbles in there. There's water, and when you're cooking baklava in the oven, on the top you're gonna see that black ugly spots. So you don't want that. Okay, friends, I put almost I think I put 8 sheets. Then I'm gonna sprinkle on the nut mixer generously. Actually, when you buy this filet dough, some people's trays are not exact size. Fortunately, mine is exactly size. I didn't have to cut the filet dough, but you might have to cut the filet dough a little bit in the sides, and you can use this in the middle sometimes when you're making it. Like this, if you can put all the pieces in the middle, then you can start covering them with the other ones, so you don't waste them. Or you can make some snacks with it. There's a lot of different kind of snacks you can make with the pieces of the filet dough. Okay, see, we're gonna now do it. Spread it properly. Okay, I'm going to start adding some more of these sheets. Okay, I put 8 more sheets of filet dough. Then I'm going to put some more nuts on it. Okay, then we're going to start doing the same process again, putting 1 sheet at a time, or maybe 2 sheets at a time. Okay friends, our baklava is ready to put in the oven. So we're gonna cut it like a 2 inches pieces. You can cut it with a knife if you don't have the pizza cutter. I have a pizza cutter, so I'm gonna cut it with the pizza cutter. It's easy to do it. Okay, our baklava is ready to go in the oven. My oven is hot. I preheated the oven. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Is 325 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until it gets golden brown. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that, and I'm gonna show it to you later. Okay friends, our baklava is ready. We are gonna pour syrup on it. So it goes all the way inside. Sorry, I don't think you can see that. Let me pour it from here. Okay. Okay friends, our baklava is ready. If you like my videos, if you like my recipes, please click like and share, and definitely please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.